Today we have another topic, developing reading, part 1. Why reading matters? Why we have problems in this part? Let's check. Reading is a gateway to knowledge and academic success. It expands vocabulary and improves grammatical accuracy, enhances critical thinking skills and perspective taking. Reading in L2 builds confidence for further language mastery. So we have the reading process in here. Reading is not a passive activity. It involves three distinct stages. There are pre-reading, preparing the mind, while reading, active engagement and processing, post-reading, reflection and consolidation. Successful readers cycle through these stages to extract meaning from complex texts. Each stage serves a specific purpose in building comprehension. Processing theory. We have two processings. There are bottom-up processing, focusing on individual words and letters to construct meaning, essential for beginning. Also, the second processing is using background knowledge and context clues to predict and interpret the message. So let's look on the pre-reading strategies. Activating prior knowledge. What do I really know about this? Previewing. Looking at titles, heading and pictures. Setting purpose. Am I reading for pleasure or information? Vocabulary preparation. Identifying key terms before diving in. Another strategy is it's a while reading, predicting. We should predict, guessing what happens next. We should questioning, do this part, and asking questions to the text, monitoring, I'm actually understanding this. Another stage is clarifying. It includes there reading difficult sections. For example, we can use the 5 steps. There are I strongly agree, I agree, I am not sure, I disagree, I strongly disagree. Constantly searching for happiness can leave you feeling unsatisfied with life. Experiencing sadness and other negative emotions helps you appreciate happiness. And choosing to be happy might sound simple, but it's always realistic. Believing these external things will bring you happiness can lead to disappointment. Happiness often comes and goes quickly, not lasting for a long time. Social pressure to be happy can harm your mental well-being. Happiness is a personal, different for everyone, too. Comparing it's helpful. We can put these 5 steps in these sentences. Another strategy is post-reading. Summarizing it includes considering the main points into your own words. Another, retelling explains the narrative structure to a peer. The next, critical reflection connecting to text to the real world experiences. Another one, drawing conclusions, synthesizing the message beyond the explicit text. So we have also 2 parts. It's there are skimming, gist reading. So skimming involves high-speed reading to identify the general idea or gist of a text. For example, focus on headings, first sentences, concluding paragraphs. Another, do not stop for unknown words. Goal, determine the author's overall purpose and message quickly. Another one, scanning, finding details. Scanning, it's a specific technique for location unique information within a text. Search for names, dates, numbers, or specific keywords. Ignore irrelevant section of the text, often used in exam setting or retrieving factual data from reports. Intensive reading. Intensive reading focuses on the precise details and linguistic features of a text. We should analyze grammatical structures and complex sentences, examine vocabulary usage in context. Usually involves shorter text and requires deep focus. What about extensive reading? In here, it involves large amounts of reading for pleasure and overall fluency. Students should choose texts that enjoy and understand, encourages building confidence and reading stamina. Main focus is on the content rather than linguistic analysis. Vocabulary building. Context clues using surrounding words to infer meanings. We have word parts, recognizes prefixes, suffixes, grammatical roots, and also collocations, understanding with words live together. And here we have making inferences, tone author's purpose, and also it evaluate critical thinking. We have reading success formula, interactive classroom activities, think, pair, share, discussing text with peers, jigsaw reading, a student become an expert on a segment, graphic organizers, mapping ideas visually, reading logs, tracking progress and reflection. So the digital tools for literary. There are modern tools enhance reading accessibility, online dictionaries and corpus tools, interactive e-readers with annotation features, virtual reality for immersive context buildings. Also recap and next steps. If you have questions, you can ask. Thanks for attention.